What's up, guys? I haven't made like a bike check in like 3 months. Thanks to my bike has dramatically changed. Oh, what's that on my bike? It's my tarantula. That is my baby. His name is Webster. He'll be in the video, but don't have for now until we get back. Alright. Start from the top. Coat leader bars. ODIO grips. Animal bar ends, always. Colt Salvation top load stem. Just regular fucking spacers, animal bearings. Oh, and my headset. Aaron Ross 2.35 tire, G-Sport Marmoset front hub. Hazard light rim in the front. Black white Primo spokes. Fit shape 2 forks. Duo pedals. Stolen mob cranks always. Animal Vinylite sprocket. Amazing. Super forged. Fit S3.5 2011. Sorry, the last frame was a 2010 Fit S3.5. Sorry about that. Stolen revolver bottom bracket. Not sure if you could see that or not. Chains in the way. KMC 410. Heavy duty. Nigel Sylvester seat. Demo seat posts. Tarantula, not included with the bike. As again, Aaron Ross tires, chain walls, Alienation free coaster hub, Rush V2 always, McNeil valve caps just cause I want it instead of plastic ones. Zero demo rim. Primo spokes, always. Sorry, Spider. Yeah, I don't use a hub guard. Could care less. DK pegs, they're aftermarket. Not sure which ones, but they are. Friend had them, so he bought them off Dancecom, so they have to be aftermarket on Dancecom. They have to be on aftermarket if they're on Dancecom. Okay, got it out. What else am I missing here? Nothing really. Oh, these pegs are light as hell, pretty much. They even lighter than Shadow little ones. So, that concludes my bike check. Let's see if I get this little guy off my seat. Okay. And let us out, Webster.